Hello and welcome to Let's Draw. Today we're going to draw a kitten, so let's get started. But before we do, go ahead and subscribe right now. And once you do that, let's go. All right, so first things first, we're going to start off with simple shapes, basic shapes. So I'm going to draw a couple of ovals. Matter of fact, let's make this bigger. I'm going to draw an oval here, and then I'm going to draw another oval like that, and they don't have to be perfect because I'm going to erase those lines. All right, so now I'm just going to go back in and get rid of these lines. So it's good for you to draw with a pencil today if you don't already. And these lines are not as perfect as I would like them to be, but it doesn't matter because we're just having fun right now, right? So I'm going to start drawing the ears, and basically I'm just going to create a couple of triangles, but I'm going to curve them a little bit. 1 and 2. Now I can actually come in here and erase this, erase that, and now I'm going to draw the inside of the ear. We can do it the easy way just by creating another soft triangle like that, or we can actually add a little fur on the inside by coming in like this and then making little waves or triangles, you know, somewhat. Let's do that on this side. All right, so now we're going to go down here to the nose, and we're going to create another, you guessed it, triangle. And now what I want to do is draw the mouth. And what we're going to do is basically we can make it we can do an upside down V, but so it can look more cat-like, let's make it a W instead. A big W. And now we're going to draw the eyes, and we just basically make 2 ovals. And I want to give this particular cat little teeth because he's feisty. And let's put the shine on the eye, and we can color that in a little bit. Excuse me. And now, last but not least, we're going to do the little tiger print, or I say print, the tiger pattern on his fur. We could do it a simple way. The simple way is just to kind of draw a couple of curved lines like this, or you can do a curved point like that, still kind of with the same concept of a triangle, because this is, I guess that's the theme for this episode. So, but instead of doing those, what I'm going to do is zigzags like that. See if you can make the zigzags feel curved a little bit around with his face. And now, just like the mad kitten we saw before, Let's make him mad because he is feisty. And now it's time to color. Alright, that was Let's Draw. I hope you had a great time. I can't wait to see you again. And have a great day, you guys. Peace.